So hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. So in last video we have covered about account structure, few of the topics. Where we have discussed how the account structure is created and how main accounts are defined on the account structure. So and how to move account structure, how to activate account structure, how to validate account structure. So we have discussed that kind of scenario in last episode. So this is the continuation of the last episode, and few of the remaining scenarios we will be covering today. Last day we have created this account structure and we have discussed how to define account structure and how blank values are allowed. So today, and we have defined account structure over here. So today, what we will be covering. So in Dynamics, we can define multiple account structure and we can create multiple account structure and define on the ledger. General practice used in Dynamics 365 is like people use balance sheet account, create balance sheet account structure and profit and loss account structure. So two account structure will be maintained. So we will be covering one more account structure. So for creating account structure, you have to click on new button and account structure 2. So I will be mentioning TLL 2. So you can mention as per your name. Either you can mention profit and loss, TLL profit and loss account structure, or you can mention TLL as per your requirement, as per your naming convention. I am not going in that. So just create. So this is created. Now, for example, I will be putting my account structure from in the last account structure we have put. Now we will be putting from 3 lakhs onwards. So 3 lakhs to 299. And so will be the account structure. For these I need some financial dimension. So I will be adding department and let me add one more, cost center. So you have seen that this asterisk or star mark is coming for every newly created field. So what does that stand for? Means whatever fields or dimension values are available under this department will be allowed to use. So I will open for example, I will open financial dimension, general ledger dimension, financial dimension. For example, this is my financial dimension department. Here dimension value you can see. So here we have multiple departments available. For example, sales and marketing, operation, finance, IT, and human resource. So see, for example, if it is a star, then it will take all the dimension and it will not give any kind of error, and you have to mandatorily fill this dimension if it is a star. If I put blanks are allowed, then blank values are allowed, then it will be not mandatory fill. Okay, so I am not making mandatory. For example, I have a specific requirement from my client that for these main accounts from 3 lakh to 999 main account, I don't want my user to fill my dimension other than finance. So what for that kind of situation, what we can do is, for example, this is my finance dimension value. So my client is asking that this department value, dimension value should be mandatory. Other than this, nobody should can fill any dimension other than this. This should be the combination for my account structure in this. So for that, we will remove this department and we will put this department. So so whenever any transaction is posted, if any user is mentioning a department other than this, system will not allow any user to use that dimension, use other dimension than this. Similarly, client asked me that this, let me go back for my cost center. Okay, let me select cost center and I will show you the cost center values. For my cost center from 007 to 015, values should be allowed. Means other than this, my user should not able to select any dimension. So for that, what we can do is we will remove this asterisk 07. then 015. So let me go this. So for department we have put condition that my department should be only 24. Other than this it is not allowed. If you see this is condition. Similarly, if I see here, you will see whatever we have discussed in last video for main account, similarly we have for cost center. So the condition is where cost center is between and includes, okay, value 007 to value is 015, which include this value also. So if anyone is trying to select any financial dimension from 07 to 15, they will able to select. But for example, anyone you want to select dimension which is 16 super, so they will receive an error that this account is any of the account which is selected while posting is not falling under the condition of this. So they will receive an error and system will not let them post any kind of transaction. Okay, so let me add one more segment here, which is business unit. So here, for example, I know that I can put two dots and all uh, for the condition, but sometimes some user don't know how to put condition. So here you will see where business unit begins with. So I can put condition. Okay. Similarly, is between and includes. So here I will put like business unit. Let me go to business units and I will show you the business unit. 01 to 05. So I can mention 01 to 005. Now after that you have to apply this. So once you apply that, it will reflect over here. For example, if I revert, if I clear all and add new condition, add new criteria, and if I want to select 001 as a dimension, I can able to do after applying. 1 minute. So this is applied. So this is how you can define your condition in this account structure. Here you will see add, remove, duplicate, validate, add segment, which we have discussed. So what is the use of validate? So if I'm trying to click on validate, it is not giving me any kind of error. Let me select the same account, which is 3 lakh account. And now I will try to validate. It will throw me an error that it overlaps. So you can validate. Here only show overlapping rows, which we have discussed. So what is the use of this overlapping rows button? For example, I have like 100 lines in my account structure. In that case, I am not able to identify which line is having issue. So I can just click on overlapping rows and it will give me on the overlapping rows. For example, this is having issue. I will remove this and click on yes. So that will be removed and I can just rectify any error after that. So this is how you can fix that. Now you will see the rename here. In that you will see rename. So for example, I want to rename and I want to put account structure as something like I can put to, okay, similar thing I will copy and paste here and rename. So it will be rename. So you can use that feature. For example, now it is 99 account. Let me remove this 1 minute. I will put till 499. Okay. Now if I add 5000 here, you can see that my requirement is very specific that for this account, okay, for this account my department should be blank. Okay, let me blank, and my cost center should be something like 006 only. Okay, So, and my business unit should be blank. So, for example, I have like 20 main accounts or 100 main accounts like this. So, I cannot do this kind of thing for each main account. So, here we have advanced rules for that. So, we will be discussing for these advanced rules in upcoming episodes. So, stay tuned for that. Now, you will see this mark for blank allowed. Okay, let me allow once more. And here you will see one semicolon. What this semicolon stand for? Means it will stand for and. For example, blank is allowed and from asterisk. So after blank is allowed, semicolon, then star. Means blank allowed and star means which include all the dimensions. Okay. So it stand for and. So you can put like this. My cost center should be 06 and 07 for this account. So you can define like that and you can validate. It will not give you any error or issue. So you will see here two conditions are created. Cost center is 06 or cost center is 07. Similarly, if I put one more 08 here, one more or condition is added. So you can like this, you can define your condition for your financial dimension in this. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next one.